We're going to talk about an XRP price prediction in this video. Okay. We're going to talk about that in the context of the overall kind of macro, bigger picture crypto scenario that's playing out. And ultimately have a dialogue around the fact, is XRP, poised to maybe start going up, moving up soon. That's what we're going to cover. As always, thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Tell the algorithm that we're here. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay. So here's what's going on right now. As of recording this video, crypto is down 3.6%. It was actually down about 6+% earlier today. And you can see Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Bitcoin has dropped down to 21.7 in the last 24-hour period. And actually, Ethereum's holding up a little bit better as far as kind of percentage moves down as far as on the 1 hour. And on the 7-day, 24-hour, it's leading a little bit, but overall, in the last 2 or 3 days, it's holding up a little bit more resilient, if you will. XRP kind of similar. It's down about 2%, and you can see on the 24-hour, it's it's gone down and hitting that 37-cent range, which is kind of close to where it's at from, again, down from 40 cents. Okay. If you look at kind of the 7-day chart, you can see kind of a downward trend movement here with outside of this little spike up where we spiked up to 40 cents, but kind of a downward move. Now, if we look at kind of the 1 month view, it looks like there's a lot going on here, but what you really got is kind of a consolidation scenario. Look, you got a low of 36 cents, basically all the way over here to kind of a low of about 37 cents. And your high is about 42 cents. So you've got a 5-cent range moving there in a 1 month. That's effectively consolidation, right? That's really what you're seeing. And if you look kind of like right here, it really is showing. Now we had a lower low, if you will, but again, you're really seeing consolidation. You're seeing consolidation because of a couple of things going on. All right. Now, especially in the last week or so, what's beginning to happen is the word uncertainty has started creeping into crypto. And I think that's what we're going to really have for the short term time being, and all the way up to about February 14th, 15th, when we get the CPI data report. Because here's the deal. The jobs report, labor report that we got last week was a major shocker. We were expecting not a lot of jobs growth. We got a tremendous amount of jobs growth, which spooked everybody. It spooked everybody. And this is the macro discussion I'm talking about. It spooked everybody because that is an indicator that what they're doing to fight inflation, all the Federal Reserve raising interest rates, things of that nature, inflation is just continuing to wage a battle back, if you will, and just not going away quietly, right? And it's that labor jobs report that's kind of the thorn, the needle in our side. When we see the CPI data report that's going to come out on the 15th, that's going to have another indicator in it of what's going to happen. But this jobs report, that's the big X factor now. And it's setting the stage for that March 14, 15 FOMC meeting where the Fed are they going to raise the rate again or whatever it may happen. Okay. So with that said, that's where we're at. So is there an XRP price prediction of moving back up? You saw we've been trading between 37 cents and 42 cents in that 1 month period. I expect us to stay here because of uncertainty that is in the market. Okay. Now, the only X factor for XRP is if the SEC comes out in any time soon and there's a settlement in that case. I still expect us to have one of those. It's just a matter of when. Is it, first quarter? We're getting close to the end of the first quarter. Well, we're about halfway through the quarter. I think it's more of a second quarter scenario. The wheels of justice and that kind of stuff move slowly, right? And so this is not something I'm expecting a major, announcement sometime in the near future. The rumblings are that it's still going to go Ripple's way, but we'll see. So there you go. It's not a really exciting price prediction for XRP. I'm sorry, but that's the reality of where we're at. It's all of that macro scenario swirling around. It's impacting XRP. And oh, by the way, it's impacting all your cryptos, right? It's impacting Cardano, Polygon, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth and so on. So what I got for you, as always. Thanks. I'll see you.